What are your top 5 car modifications of the moment? These are my 5, but I want your opinions on them. So stick me a comment down below, and you wait around, there's going to be some promo codes later on for some cheap stuff. Let me know what you think. I'm interested. But here's my 5. Performance intakes. Big intercoolers. And in number 1, the most important modification is improving your invisibility. So improving your headlights. So I've been reached out to by a company called AUXITO to try out their LED bulb. On the R53, they're going to be fitted in the high beam feature. So I'm going to have a go, see how easy they are to fit, and then I'll do a comparison and I'll do a quick review. Thanks for joining me. Do like and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. The R53 actually has a H7 style bulb. And this actually looks like a very good copy of the shape. So hopefully it's an easy install. We'll see. You remove this rubber cover quite simply, and then before you undo the spring clip in there, just pull off the wiring. So the spring clip's actually holding the wiring with the bulb in place, so you can get the wiring off. Amazing. Now you can remove the spring clip. Do take care not to handle the bulb too much. Are you kidding me? And these come out incredibly easily. We will stay. And then simply do the opposite to put it back in. Locate the tab, put it back in, hold it up with your spring clip, and then simply add your 2-pin. Like, we can see what they're like. AUXITO! Then obviously do the same on the other side, get that bulb in, and then we'll give it a try. If you like this product, have a look in the description. You've got a link, my link, and you've got a product code which I'm going to put on the screen down here, and that'll give you an extra 15% off when you make an order. AUXITO are actually a global supplier, so no matter where in the world you can use this code and you'll get an extra 15%. These bulbs here are a H7 bulb, which are the right ones for my car, for my main beam. Inside the box we've got the instructions, all important, and like I say, these are a H7. So they've got 8 LEDs on either side, 8 on one side, 8 on the other. And if we compare this to the other H7, you can see the shape is correct. This locating tab and this locating tab, they're the ones which denote where it goes in your car. And then it's just a simple 2-pin on the back. So yeah, let's have a look at how they perform in the car. Remember, link in the description, and then Kim15 will give you 15% off on these. We'll have a look at the headlights with the standard bulbs in, side lights, standard dip beam, and we go for high beam. Well, they're okay, I guess. Oh, but they're not much brighter than the standard dip beam. and true to sight, not on the camera, they're actually a little bit yellow. And we'll have a look at the AUXITO LED bulbs and see how they compare. And with the new LEDs fitted, I'm going to put the headlights on. So just the standard headlights. And I'm going to flick it to main beam, which are the AUXITO LEDs. They're phenomenal. You know, they're actually really good. Standard lights. LED. Yeah, I really like them. Really impressed. Remember, link in the description, and then Kim15 will give you 15% off on these.